Hi Dream Explorer. Today I'm drawing Bluey and Bingo wearing jetpack rockets so bright, flames of colors sparkle in flight. While the drawing slowly takes its place, I'll tell you a tale full of speed and grace. But before the rockets roar with a jingle, like this video and subscribe my channel, so more Bluey tales can always mingle. Would you like to zoom through the sky with a fiery trail tonight? The sky was wide, painted with blue. A gentle breeze carried scents so new. Bluey strapped on a shiny pack, buttons glowing ready for track. Beside her stood Bingo, helmet tight, her jetpack humming, eyes full of light. Ready, sis, Bluey said with glee. Our rockets will make us fly so free. Bingo giggled. Count to 3, then we'll race above the tallest tree. Can you count with them 1, 2, 3 and pretend you're flying wild and free? The ground grew small, the clouds grew near. Their laughter echoed crisp and clear. Bluey twirled in a dazzling spin. Bingo zoomed with a cheeky grin. If soaring fun makes you clap your hand, like this video and subscribe my channel for more Bluey journeys across the land. Whoosh and swirl, loop around. Bluey cheered with joyful sound. Catch me if you can, dear Bing. Bingo laughed. I'll flap my wing. They zigged and zagged, a rocket race with sparkles trailing in endless space. Colors shimmered red and gold, a sight too lovely to ever grow old. Bluey pointed. Look below. Our house is tiny like a shadow. Bingo smiled. Let's fly in rings like shiny birds with magic wings. Their hearts beat fast, their eyes so wide, gliding together side by side. Let's land for now, Bluey softly said, before the rockets make us too red. They drifted down with gentle cheer. The soft green grass was waiting near. Helmets off, their cheeks felt warm, still glowing from the thrilling storm. Bingo sighed. That was the best, our rockets gave us a flying quest. Bluey hugged her, featherlight. Tomorrow we'll take another flight. Can you hug yourself tight and snug, just like Bluey's warm little hug? So now, dear star, the story ends with rockets, sisters, and joyful bends. Bluey waves, her smile so true. Next time I'll fly again with you. If you love their rocket skies so bright, like this video and subscribe my channel for more adventures day and night. Close your eyes, let dreams take flight, with Bluey and Bingo soaring tonight.